to bring a couple of German language jingles to see how that can sound. These are two radio stations that are both classic hits driven, and they both had a perception of playing a lot of oldies music, even while the playlist has evolved since then. We play a lot of 80s and 90s music, we look up 70s, almost no 60s anymore, but they still had that perception of being this, an old radio station. So they wanted to refresh that perception, and both of these stations are also in a very competitive market, where a lot of other stations are beaming in. Especially the first station you're going to hear, RDE24 in Vorarlberg. They have competition from 3 countries and 1 region from Austria beaming into their market. So they wanted to make a difference with audio branding, like this. Younger than the playlist, we felt like, and the clients felt too, like the jingles could stand out a little bit more and have that feeling of a modern radio station of today, because the classic hits playlist doesn't really change, right? The songs are the same songs all the time. And so that's the story behind these jingles. And furthermore, the last jingle package, you may have noticed that there's only a station name in there, there's no slogan in there. That was done deliberately because the ratings in France, the médiamétrie, is based on recall only. So people get a phone call, have a diary, or they're being asked, what station have you heard yesterday? So they fully focus on just the station name, nothing else. And it was a little creative challenge, sometimes 4 times sing the station name in one jingle.
I didn't know that. That's fascinating.